Sometimes my SVG animations, they just move so perfectly and so smoothly. It's very satisfying. Other times, the action is just so glitchy. Seems okay at first, but when too much stuff happens, everything starts flashing on the screen. Sometimes things that are supposed to be invisible forget that they're supposed to be invisible. It was a little bit hard to track down these performance problems because there were multiple animations, and it wasn't that any one animation was failing, but just the combination of them. This line colors thing was causing some of the problem. So the problem was that I was trying to change the colors of the things that were rotating. I was trying to change the colors of these while they were rotating, and that caused the animation engine to fight with itself. You can see details in here, but the short version was a conflict. This rotation is very efficient because of the way it caches things. Let's see if I can find that here. So here's the background, and we have these two pieces that are each sliding over each other at different speeds, and they're just rotating and moving. So SVG or Chrome or somebody just decided on its own it's going to make a single image of this, and it won't redo it every time. All it's going to do is the rotation each time. Well, that sounds good, and it certainly works normally. But the problem was that when this other animation was coming in and trying to change something, it would automatically destroy that cached value. So every time, even if almost everything was hidden, like this, where you only have a small amount showing, or even if there's nothing showing, it would still redo that image every time and do the entire image, not just the part that's visible. That entire thing got redone. So for the short term, I disabled the colors. You just have to deal with the colors that are there. I have a few more ideas that are documented in GitHub about how I might attack this next time. It was just such a surprise. You would think that that their optimizations would actually work, and I wouldn't have to go out of my way to disable standard optimizations. Well, in any case, you can see we got the bombs working a little bit better, so I need to get back to the actual game. Every time you collect bombs, it lists out here exactly what got blown up. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. But I'm not taking them away yet. I'm just recording them in the score, but the bomb doesn't really make anything go away. So yep, there were 2 things that only got done by the bomb, not because of anything else. So that's the next thing I'm going to look at on this project. Thanks for taking a look.